Hello students, so today we will discuss chapter number 7, our natural resources, forest and wildlife. We will discuss about our natural resources and two natural resources that we will discuss, forest and wildlife. But in this chapter we will discuss only exercises. Okay, detailed explanation of this chapter is also available in the same playlist. You can access the video from there. So first exercise of this chapter is fill in the blanks. What beta? Fill in the blanks. Natural resources can be divided into exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible and inexhaustible. Okay, natural resources, we can divide natural resources into two, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Okay, exhaustibles are those resources which we can finish with the passage of time. Inexhaustible, which is available in unlimited quantity in our nature. Okay, deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest. Deciduous forest is also known as monsoon forest. Thorny forest have few trees. Obvious सी बात है, thorny forest have very few trees. Coniferous forest have tall cone-shaped trees. Coniferous forest have tall cone-shaped trees. Deforestation causes flood and landslide. Yes, the main cause of landslides and floods is deforestation. If you are going to cut the trees, you will face flood and landslides. Okay. Yes, match the column. Natural resources found in nature. Inexhaustible natural resources, renewable sources. If somebody asks you there is a difference between renewable and inexhaustible, so say no. Renewable resources is same as inexhaustible resources like air, water, sun energy. These are inexhaustible or renewable. Okay, India, 1/5 of land under forest. When we talk about the complete land area of India is 3.2 billion square kilometers, and out of that 1/5 is reserved for forest or under forest. Evergreen forest, green throughout the year. That is why they are called evergreen forest. Gir is a national park. Now dear student, just write in comment section in which state we have Gir forest. Okay, I want the answers from all students. Yes, so just tell me, air is renewable sources or non-renewable sources? Air is renewable sources. Okay, आप कितना भी एयर को यूज़ कर लो वो एटमॉस्फेयर में वापस आ ही जाएगी. In deciduous forest, trees shed their leaf during dry season. Deciduous forest, all the trees shed their leaves during dry season. Kikar is a type of thorny tree. Kikar is a type of thorny tree. A tree which grow in mangrove, Sundari tree. Sundari tree grow in mangrove forest. Okay. Wildlife sanctuaries have created to protect animal, bird, or both of this. Wildlife sanctuaries are for animals and for birds. Okay. Yes. In the first fill in the blanks, we have discussed that we can divide natural resources into two, exhaustible and inexhaustible. So a type of natural resource is exhaustible. A type of tree found in desert, bulbul. Okay. Babool. Sorry, bulbul. Sorry. Babool. What? Babool. By mistake I said bulbul. Babool. Cutting of trees, deforestation. Planting of trees, afforestation. Cutting of tree, deforestation. A program to plant more trees, Van Mahotsav. A wildlife sanctuary in Assam, Manas. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is in Assam. And Assam is in eastern state. Okay. So students, if you want the video of question answer also, do write in comment section. Okay, currently I am not making videos for question answer. If you want, if you required, I will make video for you. Okay, do write in comment section.